This doesn't feel right. It's like someone's coming to me from the future telling me that this is not how you hold an M4. Huh. Alright, I got it.
Alright, that got a chuckle out of me, but however you hold the weapon is a matter of opinion and how you were most used to doing it. I mean, holding it by the mag well is not necessarily the best if you want to keep hold of that weapon. Like, say, you close in with the enemy and they start grabbing the muzzle and start wrenching it out of your hands, I guess. As you can tell, I have plenty of long guns to be working with. And so far, the only reason why I would do the modern C-clamp type grip is with a relatively modern weapon like this, because this looks pretty goofy.